For about 2 decades, the internet basically had a rule book. If you wanted your business to get noticed, you followed the rules page by page. We called it SEO. But what happens when that entire rulebook gets rewritten in real time by machines? Well, that's exactly what's happening right now with AI. And over the next few minutes, we're going to break down precisely what it means for you. For years, the answer was pretty obvious. You optimized for the machines, for Google's crawlers to climb up in the rankings. For more than 20 years, SEO was like a giant global scavenger hunt. Search engines would hide clues in their algorithms, and our job was to find them and use them. The better you were at finding those clues, the right keywords, the right links, the right code, the higher you'd climb in the search rankings. It was all about finding those perfect keywords, building up links from other sites, tweaking your meta tags, and basically holding your breath every single time a big algorithm update was announced. It was a structured, technical, and, a pretty predictable game. But just as we all got comfortable with the rules of that game, a new player showed up. And this player didn't just change the rules, it changed the entire nature of the game itself. And that player, of course, was AI. This is the single most important shift to understand. We are no longer just trying to please some rigid algorithm that's just matching keywords. We are now communicating with machines that are actively learning to understand language and context and human intent, just like we do. Let's break down the new rules of the game. It's night and day. On the left, you've got a search that's all about robotic keywords. On the right, it's a natural human conversation. AI is what lets a search engine instantly understand the incredible amount of nuance in that second query, the specific location, the exact type of food, the user's real intent to find a place to eat. It's a whole new dimension of understanding. In the old days, if you and I both searched for best pizza in Toronto, we'd probably see the exact same top 10 list. But now, the results are hyper-personalized. If you've been searching for deep dish pizza and I've been looking at thin crust, AI is going to give us completely different recommendations, even if we're standing on the same street corner. For years, the name of the game was volume. Just publish more. The more content you turned out, the more lottery tickets you had to maybe rank for something. But AI is incredibly good at filtering out all that noise. Now, it's all about value. Are you providing original insights? Do you show real expertise? That's what AI is looking for. So many of those tedious manual tasks of old school SEO are now being automated. We're talking about tools that can audit your site in real time, predict your ranking potential, and handle all sorts of technical details automatically. This frees up us humans to focus on what we do best, being creative and strategic. We've gone from a world of rigid keywords to a world of fluid human intent, from static rankings for everyone to dynamic, personalized results, from content quantity to content quality, and from a ton of manual labor to AI-powered automation. And that brings us to the next really big shift. For 2 decades, when we talked about SEO, we were really just talking about Google. But the rise of AI has completely shattered that monopoly on search. Take a look at this. This is the new search ecosystem. People are getting answers directly from ChatGPT. They're discovering products on TikTok and YouTube. They're asking their AI assistants in their homes for recommendations. Your customers are spread out all over these platforms, and if you're not there to meet them, you're becoming invisible. It means you just can't afford to be Google first anymore. You have to be AI first. You have to think about how your business shows up and provides answers wherever a user or an AI is looking for them. So how do you adapt? What's the actual practical strategy for thriving in this new AI-driven world? We're not throwing out the old playbook entirely. The fundamentals, like a well-built website and clear content, are still the essential foundation. But that foundation, it's now just the starting point for building something much, much bigger. The winning strategy isn't about choosing between the old way and the new way. It's about intelligently blending them together into a really powerful hybrid approach. So what does this hybrid approach actually look like? First, you use AI to do all the heavy lifting, the data analysis, the technical automation, the predictive insights. But then you double down on what makes us human. You create authentic, high-value content that solves real problems and builds genuine trust with your audience. This change isn't coming. It's already happened. Right now, as we speak, your customers are asking AI for recommendations, for solutions, for answers. The only question left is, when the AI looks for the very best answer out there, will it find you? Thanks for tuning in.